Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lush Gardener. So I usually have this question that when it tends to rain, why do I blow off the water from the succulents and why I don't leave it as it is. Some people have said that I'm being a little bit too extra by blowing off the water because in nature there is nobody to blow off the water from succulents. That's a bit of a funny statement, but anyways, a lot of people have been a bit skeptic about it, but it's good to be skeptical because of course we all need proof and evidence in order to believe something, and that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you in this video. Now if you remember with yesterday's wind, the thunderstorm, my green shade cloth has completely gone off the roof. It was completely ripped and now this entire portion is open. Now this is where there is a lot of direct sunlight, and because there's a lot of direct sunlight, I cannot leave water on the succulent leaves because they will get burnt. And I didn't realize that the shade cloth has moved. I didn't realize that the shade cloth is no longer there because it was almost late night once the thunderstorm had cleared off, and I slept off. I didn't realize that the shade cloth is gone. And of course today there was no rain, there was a good amount of direct sunlight on this place. Of course the succulents had water droplets on them. Over here as well you can see the PVN has some water droplets. Even these can cause an issue, and I'm going to show you what. So these are my Graptosedum mendozae. You can see the portion that was not facing the sun is all good, but the one that was facing the sun, because there was water on it, it completely burnt these succulents over here. Nothing to be worried, it's just the upper leaves. The new growth is going to be fine, but you can see how quickly it happened to burn the upper leaves because the sun was facing to the front. So the ones at the back have no issue, they are looking fine. But this is the reason why I prefer to clean off the water from the leaves. Of course some people say that well, others don't do it. Well, actually I don't care what others do, because if the succulent goes bad like this, I will be the one that's going to be responsible and I will have to deal with it and not others. So yep, because I have done this earlier, I have seen what it does to succulents, and that's why I be very careful. It might look like it's just a very small issue of clearing of water from the succulents, but it can completely damage the succulent. Now of course these leaves are going to stay on this bunch. The bunch looked absolutely beautiful earlier, but now with all that scarring doesn't look that great, but it's absolutely fine. Mistakes do happen. So this is the reason why I tend to blow off that water from the leaves. If the green shade cloth was still present, it wouldn't have been this bad, but the green shade cloth just went off, exposing these succulents to direct sunlight. Nevertheless, mistakes learned. We have to be a little bit careful next time. So this is something that I wanted to share, why I be a little bit extra with succulents, because of course they do need a little extra care compared to other plants, especially in the monsoon season. Winters is not much of an issue, but monsoon season is something that we have to be a little bit extra careful with succulents. So that's about it guys. I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe and keep planting.